Welcome back to the Pink Envelope. I have my very first Curateur Welcome Box. So I've unboxed Curateur before. You can see one of those up here. And I love the box. It used to be Boxes Style by Rachel Zoe. It's now this one. But I've never had one of their welcome boxes, so I'm excited to see what it is. I had to go do some research because this is not one of those boxes I've been subscribed to for forever and like know the ins and outs. This one's kind of new to me. The Curateur box as a whole is a quarterly subscription, and it is $99.99 each quarter. But the welcome box is something you can opt in when you start your subscription, and it's only $24.99. I do have a coupon code. It is welcome10. Use it on my link below and you get $10 off the welcome box. You don't have to do a welcome box, and that's one of the things I was researching. I was like, do you have to do this or can you just jump straight into your subscription? And you can just jump straight into the normal seasonal subscription, which is $99.99. You can use code PINK25 to get $25 off your normal seasonal subscription. One of the things I did find while researching is that they have free shipping and they ship to the US, including Puerto Rico, United Kingdom, Australia, and Canada. So this box actually has a pretty wide variety of places they ship compared to a lot of other subscription boxes. Okay, so let me go ahead and open this. The welcome boxes come with 3 pieces, unlike the seasonal boxes, which come with I think 5 to 7 pieces. So far, this looks exactly like the full box. There is the catalog on top. This is the summer 2021 welcome box. So this is a spoiler. If you do not want to see this, jump out now so that I don't ruin it for you. But here is the little welcome magazine, and it has details about the products. It has style tips and tricks. It's just a cute little magazine to read. Then inside here, I have, oh my gosh, okay. This is a huge bag. So here we have, obviously, the little bag that goes inside the big bag. It is like a canvas type material. I don't know, but it's very nice. Okay, let's get the big bag out. What does this say? Henny and Lev is the brand. And you guys, look at this. Oh my gosh. I have been needing a weekender tote so much. We're actually leaving on vacation very soon, and this guy is going with me. I am thoroughly impressed. You cannot go buy this bag for $24.99, and we haven't even gotten to the other items inside this box. It does have a shoulder strap, and the inside has a zipper pouch and 2 pockets on this side. And I wish that my 7-year-old was here. I would put her inside this bag just so you could see how big this sucker is. So the welcome box is different from the Curation Box. When you sign up to become a member, you get a 3-piece welcome box, or you can jump to the 5-piece seasonal box. In the welcome box, you get to choose one of 3 options. The 3 different options right now are the Weekend Retreat, the Chic Escape, and the Glow Getter. The Weekend Retreat, which is this box here, has a value of $286. The Chic Escape has a value of $354, and the Glow Getter has a value of $388. Mind you, you only pay $24.99. This is an outstanding deal. Okay. Also in here, oh my gosh. So Curateur just sent this to me, and I wasn't sure which box I was getting, although I was holding my breath that this is the one that I was gonna get. This is Glow Skin Beauty, oil-free SPF 40. You guys know I am all about the SPF. Look at me, can y'all see me? I've gone to the river, I've gone to the beach, I have been out in the sun working in my yard, but I am lathering myself in sunscreen. So this is absolutely perfect. And then it looks like there's a pair of sunnies in here. Hello, how chic is this case? It's canvas here, but it's like a leather here, and there is a pocket on the front of this sunglasses case. Brilliant. You're covered. Your new favorite pair of sunglasses come with a 6-month warranty. Le Specs is the name of the brand. Oh my gosh, please be cute on me. They're tortoiseshell and gold. Le Specs, Neptune and bright gold. What do we think? Are they working? Comment below. I can't see myself. Not really, not close enough. I hope these are cute. They're extremely comfortable. And a 6-month warranty on glasses, have you ever? I have never before. This is so cool. And I am so impressed with this case. So I don't even know if I could have bought these glasses for the price of this box. I am so impressed, you guys. So on here, things I noted that I wanted to share with you guys is if you do the seasonal box, so if you order this welcome box, it automatically enrolls you into the seasonal box. So you will just get that next. So my tip that I wrote on here is same thing that I say with the FabFitFun box. If you like this, so you receive a couple of them, you're like, oh my gosh, I'm loving this box. Go ahead and prepay for the year. You save money. You get to customize your items first so you don't have to worry about things selling out. And you get your box first, which makes it totally worth it to become an Icon member or an annual member. I think if you're not an Icon and you're just going month to month, you're called a star, I think is what it is. Y'all can, Curateur girls, comment below and let me know. First Curateur Welcome Box was a huge success. I am loving it. I'm actually going to go look and see, can I order more welcome boxes or is it one welcome box per person? I don't know the answer to that, but I'm gonna go look it up right now and I will leave it in the comments below because bang up deal. All right guys, I hope that you have an amazing day and I'll see you guys later. Bye y'all.